Hi everybody, welcome back. Hope you're all keeping well. This week we're going to be making some meatballs. For the meatballs, we got 1 kilo or just under 2 pounds of quality minced beef or ground beef. We have 6 premium sausages there. We have 1 diced onion, some breadcrumbs, about 100 grams, and about 50 grams of Parmesan cheese. And then we have 2 eggs, which I'm going to crack into a cup, whisk up, and combine the whole lot. So let's get cracking. So we're ready to combine them now. You want to get the biggest bowl you have, put the meat in, and we're just combining all the ingredients. Breadcrumbs, finely chopped onion, Parmesan, and we've got the eggs whisked up here. Just pour that in. Now we're going to take the sausages, we're going to take the skins off the sausages. So just pierce, split the skin, take the skin off. So we're using some nice quality sausages here. That's the meat in this dish that makes it, if you get good quality meat, you won't go wrong. So this is 6 good sized sausages. I mean, if you can get sausage meat separately, just get that and use that. But you can't always get that, and this can be the easiest way. There we go. It's off to one side. Now, this is the messy bit. You want to get in there with your hands, squeeze it all through, so make sure your hands are nice and clean. Get in there, squeeze it all through, mix it all up, really get in there. And just squeeze it through your fingers. Be very therapeutic, this. You want to spend a good 5-10 minutes doing this, so you get it all thoroughly combined. So I'll carry on with this and then come back when I'm done. There we go. I spent 10 minutes thoroughly mixing that up, taking out all my frustrations on it. So now it's time to make up the meatballs. So we'll get the tray we're going to use in the oven and get some olive oil. And we just want olive oil to coat the bottom of the tray. Good idea to get your hands and just rub it around, because having your oil on your hands will help you roll out the balls without letting it stick to you too much. So just grab some and start forming the balls. Probably want, it's up to you what size you want. Obviously, the smaller you make them, the less cooking time it's going to take, but I usually go for about a golf ball size. Just make these up, put them on the tray, and as you put them on the tray, just roll them around in the oil, just to make sure they get a coating of oil. Try and make them all pretty uniform. And these will go into the oven for about 30 minutes, 40 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius, which I believe is about 360 Fahrenheit. Now these meatballs you don't have to use with a tomato sauce for spaghetti bolognese. You could use it maybe with some gravy, or if you're an IKEA meatball fan, these are a very good approximation to them. If you're in IKEA, they do sell the sauce packets for their meatball sauce. So you can get that and make your own IKEA meatballs, which we do from time to time in this household. So I'll carry on rolling these out. There we are, that's made up 22 meatballs there. I'm going to pop these in the oven now for about 30 minutes, 180 degrees Celsius or 360 degrees Fahrenheit. So in they go. Put them on the middle shelf. And we'll have a look at them in a minute. Here's the meatballs out of the oven after about 30 minutes. They're all nicely browned, ready to go. Now there's the meatballs completed. You can, if you're a fan of IKEA, get some of their sauce. Mix this up, have some chips, meatballs and sauce. Get some of their lingonberry in a jar as well and have that, and you have your IKEA meal. You can have these with just some mashed potato and a bit of gravy, or they're actually quite nice just to eat on their own. So there's my meatball recipe. It takes about 45 minutes to an hour to make. So you can use them with a tomato sauce then and have spaghetti meatballs, or you can just eat them on their own with a bit of gravy, some mash, or one of my favorite things to do is get the old IKEA sauce and have my IKEA meatballs and chips. So I hope you give me the thumbs up, subscribe if you're new here. I'll pop a video here and here, subscribe button in the middle. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye for now.